Okay. I got it. Shit has been going boring. Crap has been going. My friend's on vacation. And now I'm stuck here to try and fight against a stupid squash. That's brand new. I don't even know where it came from. Laser bean, chili bean, a lily pad which is turned upside down, and the 3 pea shoots. You better stop looking at the camera or you'll be sorry. Jesus Christ. I can't handle this. Plus, the Sonic friends are not going to help me anyway, so I'm going to give up on them.
Hey dude, what's up?
Shut up. Instead, I've made my own water machine. I'll use this to kill all of the plants. Now, let's get this thing working. Okay, it works. Thank God this thing works. Try this on for size, you stinking plants. Oh no! Head zombie is coming. Guess who's here? Head. Zombie! Uh-oh, get ready. Chili bean, you're no use. It's a robot! Okay, try this on for size, you son of a bitch. Go. Smash the shot. Crap. Things are damaged. Alright, you get out of the way. Okay. Robotic claw is the plan. Oh, plant. At least I have a walking robot claw, and this robot is fit to swim. Splash. It's so easy to work this way. Okay, eat. Oh. So blimmin' easy. Uh-oh. Get the fire! This thing could be hitting 3 birds. Right, get. Oh. Ah, crap. I'm slow. Come on. Head zombie. Okay. Eat. Robo Claw, get the ice pea shooter. Oh. Get the others.
Come on then.
Ah, crap. Take that. Balls, this is too bad. How the frick do I beat these plants? My thing is badly damaged. What the heck do I do? I got the burnt on the company for some stupid skyline. Oh, whatever. I'm still in the water. You're not back into the water. Die. I didn't kill him. Uh-oh, we need some help. Where's the squash? Squash! Whoa. You'll never get me. Uh-oh, we're dead. Get off me, stupid squash. Stupid squash. Jesus Christ, what is wrong with it? Ah, crap, there goes my vehicle. I can still do it. Come on, camera. Blood on my eye. Oh. Yes! I killed the meddling plants! Yay! That was the second boss fight. Holy crap, that was a great vehicle. Oh my god! I did it! Yes! Time to go into the kitchen and get my reward. Yes. The zombies ate the brains. Ha ha. Whoa. No. I'm just so happy. I feel like dancing. Da. Yeah. I also forgot to sing the zombie rap. Crap. Oh wait, that's only 7 at 9. Oh well. At least that's over. Had enough of bull crap. Thank God I killed those meddling plants again. 50th time I've done that. I don't even know what time I've done it, but I still do it when I'm not recording. Gosh, I have to use more plans. I was enraged with the stupid squash. So yeah, squash was really annoying. But at least I killed the pea shooter before he was able to kill me at least. Oh, my arm's gone. Crap, there goes my arm. Oh well. least we got that crap done with. Yeah. Wood.